This next song is one that's not finished yet. I hope you'll bear with me while I try to remember the lyrics. I'm Laureli, and this is my hustle. Hustling to me is working every aspect of what you want to do. I am an artist, but I want to be a producer, and I want all of it to work together. I feel like it's my passion. It's my calling for sure. I want to change my sound a little bit more, which is 90s pop. All the choruses are super big. I started out putting out covers on SoundCloud, which was a really good stepping stone. This year is important for making higher up connections.
Hello?
Hey, it's Laureli.
I'm excited to get in the studio with you today.
Yeah, me too. That was Budo. He's a producer in Seattle. He's worked with a bunch of people, namely Macklemore. He's taking a look at the song that I've been working on. Hi!
Welcome to London Bridge Studios.
This is awesome. I haven't focused too much on producing before now, so I said I'm gonna produce one song a week, and by the end of the month, I'm gonna be better.
I see a work ethic in her that I certainly did not see myself at that age. Your writing is so good.
Thank you.
I have a few structure thoughts. She seemed uniquely able to put on the hat of an artist and put on the hat of a producer.
Performing is definitely a difficult aspect of everything, so I've been trying to do one show a month.
Baby, I don't know what to do. Thank you.
Hi.
I'm so glad to meet you.
Yeah, me too.
I'm Meli.
Nice to meet you, finally.
That was a great show.
Thank you.
So I've been a concert producer and talent manager for over 20 years.
I tried to do one show a month.
That is hustling.
Yeah. I think the trick is treating music like a business. Like, this is my job when it's not really yet.
That's the secret sauce. That's the recipe to success, are folks that they do it all.
I think Instagram is a really useful tool. I'll get a list of like 100 small YouTubers and be like, hey, can you use my music in your videos? I'll get a list of semi-famous TikTokers and be like, hey, you should make a TikTok to my song.
You don't often see a young artist kind of that present and I think aware of the things that she has to do to kind of get to the place she wants to get to.
I learned a million things today.
It's really exciting to see somebody that focused and dedicated.
This is definitely what I've kind of been hearing and imagining in my head. More shiny, more polished. I think it's super important for me to just keep going and keep producing.
There is absolutely no substitute for just doing it.
There's kind of no way to sugarcoat it, but like you just gotta go for it. You just gotta do it. Thanks for coming.